Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download the Crunchyroll app on your Android device. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Play Store app. After the home page of the Play Store app opens up on your phone, on the top of your screen, you'll see the search bar. Go ahead and click on it and search for the Crunchyroll app. Once you search for the Crunchyroll app and hit search, you'll see the Crunchyroll app appear on your screen. Now, on your screen, on a green button, you'll see the install option. Go ahead and click on it. As you can see on your screen, once the Crunchyroll app is completely downloaded and installed on your device, an open button will appear on your screen. Now, for you to open the Crunchyroll button, you'll have to simply click on that button or click on the app. And there you have it, the Crunchyroll app is completely downloaded, installed and ready to be streamed on your device. I hope this video helped you to download the Crunchyroll app on your Android device. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.